First off, a third of the paper like this, and then fold another one on the other side like this, yeah, and then you put it back like this. Alright, make a line in the middle and fold it. So the one with these flaps right on top and bottom, yeah, like that. Okay, and I'm going to continue. Fold it again. Let me continue first, okay? And then fold it like this. And also for the other one behind, fold it also like this. So what you have now is like this, yeah. What you have to do now is glue this side with this side. So we're going to glue it. Just one moment, I'm going to grab my glue. Let's glue this side to this side and also the other one side, yeah. So what we have is going to be like this. So we glue it like this and also glue the other side, yeah. This is just the base of our puppet. So after you glue everything, you're gonna have kind of like this holes. Why confused? Because it's just the base, all white and doesn't have anything. But check this out. What if I put an eye? Giving it an eye, yeah, and then the nose, and we're going to open it and give it its tooth. It has some tooth. It also have its tongue like that, and also draw the upper tooth. You can do it better than me, yeah, and give it a throat hole. Okay, so you guys later on you can even make a character of your liking. This is just a simple character. If you want to make a dragon, probably you can make. And I'm going to show you another example. I've already have it folded. Check this out. So this is the Iron Man mask. Iron Man is coming. Tony Stark saying, yeah, kind of like that, yeah. You can play and be creative with it, yeah. Either making this kind of mask or this kind of characters, yeah.